Morning, guys. April 12th, 2023. This one I got a call from my sister, actually, or her husband, and they're having a problem with the toilet. I guess he says that it's leaking by a little bit, so I said I'll go by there today and fix it. So I gotta go by there and take care of it for her. She's very demanding. Gotta be careful how I say things, because if I say I'll be there in the morning and I don't show up, or you forget about me, and you know, it's one of these deals. So anyway, we'll try to go get it fixed for her. It's not easy working for the family because they get very demanding. I try to do them a favor, and then all of a sudden, you know, they're awful demanding. I'm trying to get you some shots.
And
yeah, you can see it's not the right flapper in there. That's why it's leaking.
I mean, it wasn't leaking.
Well, I gotta put the proper thing in there, so we'll take care of it. I have it. Oh. It'll shut off. Wow. Oh. Oh. Wow. Let's see if that shuts it off. Alright. Let's see what we got here. What is it?
Did you do anything on Easter?
I did, yeah. I went to Stacy's in-laws house.
Oh, nice.
So slime, that's the wrong thing. I got the proper thing for it, though. Yeah, I'm kind of like, they're kind of like, I get along good with them guys, the family.
Good, good.
Yeah, so.
Well, that's nice.
And they like me. I go over there and we joke around.
Yep, always nice.
Yeah, they're kind of like family to me. They really treat her good.
Yeah, they have been good to her.
They have been good to her, so. You can see, as long as this thing ain't broken, we could put another one back in. I don't know why they took it out. They probably didn't know anything about it, you know? There's two kinds. There's a high and a low. I got both here. This is the high one. I think it's the high one I need. Yeah, it's the high one I need. Just gotta change that flapper. There's two kinds.
They're called highs and lows.
Yeah, you can see this one's high, and then that one's low. You see it?
Yeah, yeah.
I had one of these. So when it flips up, it drains out, and then it goes down. It's called a flush bucket. That's what belongs in there. Let's put in there what belongs in it and see what happens. This is a high usage toilet. That's the only thing with this, is it uses a lot of water. Getting warm, huh?
Yeah.
Sure is.
Gonna need the AC pretty soon.
Tomorrow's going to be even warmer.
Yeah. Now they said what? From Tuesday on it's gonna rain almost every day. The girl that did this,
Oh, it is April, so
she was saying.
April showers.
This week, and then she said next week.
See if we can get this thing to work for you. We'll get the new bucket in there.
She said rain all next week. I said,
There's a kind that pops on, and there's a kind that screws on. That's what we need.
Yep.
Let's see if we can get this on there.
There's supposed to be some scattered showers.
Hopefully I can get it on there without breaking it. Maybe. The old flush bucket. Oh, it's not easy to get it on there. Oh, should pop in there. There it goes. There it goes. It's popped in there now. I just have to get some kind of, I need a clip for this thing. See if I can find one. There's a special clip for it. Yeah, this is all guinea rigged here, but we'll figure it out. It's supposed to be a special. You miss working?
Not really.
No?
No.
I think I would. I wasn't working, but I kind of like my job, unfortunately. Fortunately or unfortunately, I don't even know.
Yeah. I missed, the thing I missed most is the camaraderie I had with my co-workers, because we worked together the whole time.
Yeah, so you missed that part.
We were all there for like 40 years, so. Get close with some of the guys.
Yeah, this thing did have some stuff in it for, that's so it don't sweat when it gets warm out.
Yeah.
I kind of modified this clip to see if it works. It should work. There's a special clip they have for this too. I don't have one, I don't think. We made it, modified it. Alright, so that should tip it. Let's see, I might have to go a little more. Alright. Let's see if it works now. Whoa. Put that back in there. Your daughter did call me. She had something going on with her house, but what needs to be done? It's going to take me a long time to do it. She wants me to go there at 3:30. I told her you got to give me time, you know. So I'm working. I'll have to call someone else. Well, she's got about as much patience as you do.
I have more patience than them.
You do?
I don't have any patience.
So how this thing works is when we tip this bucket, it's going to drain out and then it'll flip. You'll see when we do it. So I call it a flush bucket. I don't know why they took it out. Let's see if it works. So it's going to use a lot of water when the thing flushes. That's just how it's designed. Alright, so let's see. See, it tips up, and then that has to drain out. That'll drain out, and then it'll tip.
Oh, once this drains.
That has to drain out, and then it tips.
Then it'll go back.
It's you know, back when they used 5 gallons to flush it. See it?
Oh, okay.
That's it right there. That's what belongs in there. It's called a flush bucket. That's the last one I got on the big ones. I got a bunch of the low ones, but you see the difference?
Yeah.
It's American Standard. We'll see. We'll let it fill in. Somebody put this in here so it didn't sweat. See this styrofoam?
Oh, right, yeah.
That's so if the toilet's leaking, it's going to be cold. The water's going to get cold in there, and then it's going to sweat.
Oh.
So as long as it's not leaking, it probably won't. If anything, it'll sweat just in the summer when it's hot out.
Okay.
Because the water's cold in there,
Yep.
and it's hot in your house because no AC, so it'll condensate.
All right.
We'll see how that works. We'll shut it, make sure. Kind of a cool little setup there. You know, a lot of people don't know about these things.
I didn't even know that they have them.
Yeah. All right, so that's off. Then we'll wait and see if it stops leaking. Give it a minute. It's already slowing down. Before it was running a lot, right?
It would be running. So it was like, and then you hear, it was filling the tank back up. And then
Every so often.
it was going down, it was filling the tank back up. I'm thinking,
Well, we got a new flush. We got a reused flush bucket and a new rubber. It ain't leaking anymore. Well, maybe a tiny bit, but I mean, nothing like it was. I mean, it was really bad, right? Yeah, it's not. It stopped leaking. I don't see any swirls. Take a look. I don't see anything. I don't see any. It was leaking right here before, right?
Yeah, it was leaking right in the front. You'd see the little, like the little river.
So that's it. See how it works now. It'll tip up. That has to drain out before it flips.
Yeah, you get more water now.
Well, it's going to flush properly now. See, you're going to need a lot of water for this thing to flush right.
Yeah, but we didn't have any more water with that than we do with this.
Yeah, you do. You can definitely. This definitely stays open. This is what this is designed for. This toilet.
That one stays open longer.
Yeah,
than this.
They probably did that to save on water.
Well, I don't know what they did, but it's not right. Now it's right. So you should be all set. We can put the cover back.
Okay.
Just be careful. You don't
You can tell
break
this
it.
wasn't the right size. It's all.
Yeah, but you see how it's designed to work, right?
Yeah.
This one is just old, but throw that in there. I'll get rid of it. I mean, it's no good anyway. You don't need it, right?
No, I can throw it in the trash.
Go ahead, Nance. You want to bring that in? Yeah, don't drop it, because
No,
you'll never replace it for the color, you know.
I won't drop it.
So you're all set with that.